Torrential rains on Mount Etna caused flooding in the coastal towns of Chiari, Riposto, and Torri. Torri is a small fishing village on the coast, a stone's throw from Riposto, along the Marina Boardwalk. Luckily, Rosario called and says he has fresh purple head prawns and octopus right off the big boats, caught in the Ionian Sea off the east coast of Sicily. So we booted our emerald green Fiat down the mountain and were able to get through. It takes about 20 minutes to wind down the mountain from Montergano on switchback roads past miles of terraced vineyards from 700 meters to sea level. However, with great views of the villages, sea, and mountains, and a continuous array of old lava stone villas and hovels in various states of collapse or restoration. Looks like the cleanup has begun, and by the weekend, the coastal villages are all bustling with locals, buying supplies, repairing roads, fences, and cleaning up the debris. Emergency crews, very well done. The mountain has remained strong. Wine is always good. I'm Joan. Harry, let's cook.
Okay, and one last point there, Joni. When we were down there, look at how clean the streets are. They're clean like whistles. Look at this.
Clean as a whistle.
Yeah, and it
well
almost
done.
it's yeah,
postal.
almost like it never even happened.
Yeah, I know.
Huh.
No, and everybody's just bustling around, acting normal.
Yeah. Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. Good morning. Yesterday, in the pouring rain and torrents of water going down the streets, we went from Mount Etna to buy a beautiful fish and shrimp. I did these heads and these shrimp. I did yesterday. They're cold.
Mash it really good, then filter and add two spaghetti.
Ah, well, spaghetti. I can make spaghetti if you want, Mark. No problem.
No problem.
No, I have lots of spaghetti.
We will crunch them, and then we'll filter and take just a broth.
Sure, we can do that. No problem. Absolutely.
Because what I want to do is I want to use the shrimps, the peel, and the heads, and I'm going to saute them again, get the juice out of them, and so this goes. This is going to be. I'm going to hammer it like this, okay, and I'm going to take and squeeze all the stuff. Look at all the stuff that's in there. It's amazing. And take this out of the head like this, and we're going to use that as part of the sauce. And it's going to be, I think it's going to be wonderful. And so, I haven't done this one before, but I'm going to try it. And I think it's going to be marvelous. Ciao. Well, Joni, my dear.
Yeah.
Remember yesterday I made these shrimp?
Yes.
Took the heads off, took the bodies, just left them like this. This morning, what I want to do is I want to make a pasta, when they come for lunch, I want to make a pasta dish. This, these are the shrimps.
Wonderful.
Can't see it? Yeah, these are the shrimp that I just peeled.
Right.
See?
Yep.
And they're just delicious, unbelievable. They're going to go on top
They look
on
amazing.
top of the pasta.
Right.
These are the shells, and I'm going to saute these as well, and I'm going to use
to make
the juice out of this.
The juices.
For making the pasta dish as well. But the big one is all these heads, and I've smashed them like this to get the juices going in there, and you know, I'm going to also saute these, and then I'm going to join these sauces together, and on top of the pasta.
Right. Ooh, that's going to be wonderful.
Don't you think that's going to be fantastic?
Fabulous. Fabulous.
Yeah. All right. Now it's time to switch from the table here
To the stove.
to the stove. Yeah. I just turned it on.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
So, like I said on the movie I did before, is I put the heads yesterday and I squashed them, and now I'm making the sauce. Okay, that's in here. Loredana has arrived.
Yes.
Perfect. Are you?
Okay.
You're. Now I make this with a little. I put a little bit of olive oil in there.
Olive
You want to
oil.
put a little olive oil in? Perfect. Okay, put a little in there too, because I want to do these, please. So, what I've done here, I did the heads, okay,
Sì.
and not squash.
E il sughetto?
And now I want to put.
Spaghetti?
I will do spaghetti later. Yes, but I'm making the sauce now, okay?
Ok, stiamo facendo la salsa.
Now, if you want, I was going to do wine. A little wine. Do you?
Wine.
Yeah, wine.
Di questi.
Yes.
Tomato sauce.
Yes.
E poi ci mettiamo questo
Little bit.
sughetto.
A
Bravissimo.
little bit. That's all we need. Now I have salt and pepper in there already, but now would you like me to use a little tomato sauce?
Tomato
do you think?
sauce? No, qui. Tomato sauce lì.
Little before. Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you. I have not put any
Black pepper.
black pepper. Yes.
Black pepper. The little salt.
Yes.
Salt.
Here,
Ma
perfect.
siccome abbiamo l'Etna,
Yes.
per noi donne la tiroide, allora abbiamo bisogno di un po' di olio nel sale. ok?
Iodine.
Perché c'è l'Etna.
Look at that. This is going to turn into a sauce. Shrimp head sauce for the pasta.
Very good.
Oh. And this is the shells. Making also, this is from the shells. Very good Ionian Sea smell and taste.
Sapore di mare.
Yes. Say it again, Loredana.
Sapore di mare.
Sapore di mare.
Sapore di sì.
This is my favorite fish.
Stop.
Okay. I've got my favorite friend, Loredana here. My cook from Sicilia.
I don't speak English.
Yes,
Vergogna.
yes, but she loves Orazio in Sicilian style. Yes, molto. Okay, so now what we want to do is we're talking about we're going to do the pasta next, okay? We have finished, yes?
Ok.
Perfect,
ok.
perfect, yes.
Questi si devono togliere.
Yes, this is going to go away, yes.
Ok, go away.
Okay.
E qui un po' di...
This we throw away.
Oh, tomato sauce.
Oh, what happened?
What happened to you? Hai
Oh,
messo?
my,
Mamma, perché mi hai abbracciato.
fuck that. Your big chest. No, big chest. So then we're going to put, once we do the pasta, right?
Yes.
Put a little water from
Water.
into here,
Little.
little into here. Oh,
Sauce la mettiamo
sauce into there.
mescoliamo.
Yes. And then the pasta. Then we put all the pasta into here. Yes.
Yes.
And leave this for.
La mantechiamo.
Okay. Very good. Okay, John, that's what we're going to do.
Okay.
And then, Loredana. What do I want to do? I want to put on top of the pasta.
On top of the pasta.
Yes.
On top of the pasta.
You want
it's
the-
very good
Do you want the
on
taste?
top of the
You want the
pasta.
taste?
Mm.
That's very good. Eh?
E ci hai messo l'olio cosa ci hai messo?
Oh, this is from fresh from yesterday. I made it. What?
Sento odore di
No,
sambuca.
Sambuca?
Sambuca.
A little. How did you know? Look, I did a little sambuca. Yes, sir.
Oh.
Very little.
Ma si sente.
Pico.
Io sono siciliana.
But you.
Coming in.
Morning.
Morning. Oh, you're wet.
And today she tells me. Perfecto.
Sambuca, monello.
Do the
Mr.
these for tasting this.
I have already. I've learned
Do you want to
how.
make the spaghetti with them?
Yes, I've squashed them. And Loredana and me are going to mix it
Sto
here.
cercando di salvare il salvatico.
No problem, no problem. Yeah, it's okay. It'll be over. I love all
Da
of it.
lei le cose non si friggono in poco ora, si
I love all
friggono
of it. It's going to be good.
in olio.
So.
Farina,
So we're going to start, we're also going to make triglia,
triglia, battuta,
and we're going to put and we're going to do it in flour first, and then we're going to do it in olive oil.
farina rimacinata,
In italiano triglie. In English, più poca. In English, si chiamano
Put fish in it.
red mullet.
Mullet, yeah, mullet fish.
Oh yeah, these are red mullet, zero.
Red mullet. The red mullet, there are two types. One that lives in the algae field, algae.
This is the way we use it in the beer.
Yeah. And the other one in the rocks.
Oh yes?
The one that live in the algae field,
Yeah.
they taste of phenolic acid, and they are not too good.
These are perfect.
Those are the rocks.
Yes, these live in the rocks. Perfect. Yes.
How many things I have to teach you, young
Oh,
men.
it's awesome. One, we love it.
So Razza, you say that these triglia that live in don't live in the rocks?
In Italian is red triglie,
Yeah.
in English red mullet,
Red mullet.
and they live
These
in the
live in-
rocks
Yes.
or in the algae field. Algae
Oh.
field. The ones that live in the algae field get a taste
funny
of
taste.
yeah,
certo,
acid,
per friggere,
phenolic acid.
Ah, okay.
Phenolic acid.
Perfect. This one? That's the one. Loredana says use this one, right?
non troppo per cuocere, perché così
Okay, do I turn heat off now? Off?
5 minutes.
Which is this the? Gold? It's purple. Oh, look. Tell me that isn't fantastic. I love this fish.
The porco.
Yes. What is going? Yes.
What do you need?
The porco.
Yes. And then we put this is the octopus we put into the one. Okay. So I dip it.
Yes.
Are you going to dip or what? So see, Loredana is doing that. Ah, perfect. I'm taking away. Oh, you could slow then. Ah, perfect. Wow.
Pieces and put in. Do we put oil and stuff later here?
Dopo.